The whole idea of lean manufacturing is based on the idea of elimination of waste or muda. We need to finish this waste. Muda means waste from our manufacturing setup or maybe from our service organizations also. There are seven different types of waste, and these are: one is waste of overproduction. If you're producing more than the requirement, that is a type of waste that is not adding value. So, this is your waste. So, if you are doing overproduction, that is a type of waste you are doing in the system. And another waste is waiting. Your parts and products are waiting to be processed further. So, that is also a type of waste. That means you have not planned your production planning properly. So, another waste is unnecessary transportation. That is unnecessary transportation from one place to another place. Too much of material handling is also a type of waste which is not useful. Therefore, proper layout planning is very much important to minimize the unnecessary transportation of goods inside the plant. Another waste is over processing. Now, many times, if you do not know the customer requirements properly, it happens that we want to build so many features into our products and we do excessive processing of the product. So, that is also a type of waste. Customer does not require those features and customer does not require that many activities, but you have done extra processing. Many times in India, you must have seen that when we are constructing our houses, we use loads of roads and steels and concrete so that we get more safety. But in fact, there is a limit to safety. You cannot get beyond that. Then we have unnecessary inventory. Many a time we think of lot of fluctuations, lot of variations which are not in our control. And to handle those variations, we keep inventory. So we need to see how much safety stock is actually required. Otherwise, unnecessary keeping of inventory is also a type of waste. So inventory is not going to help you in any value addition. Another waste is unnecessary and excess motion. When we are producing products, so sometimes small minor motions are also very important because these motions consume energy. These motions may result into your extra fatigue. And as a result of that, these are not adding value. Rather, it may create more inefficiencies. So these small minor motions are actually waste. A very good example you can see from the field of sports is when a player who is playing golf. So even the minute movement of the golf stick can make the difference in the stroke which he is playing. When a swimmer or an athlete is going to start the run, in that case, how he or she is taking off that small motion difference can make the whole result a different story. So the excess motion or the unnecessary motions are to be avoided. So that takes a lot of time to identify this waste. But certainly it is very, very important to identify waste and continuously try to eliminate this waste. If we continuously eliminate this waste, that is automatically Kaizen. That means continuous improvement.
Another waste is the waste of defects. This includes any product that does not satisfy the requirements and has to be reworked or thrown out. This is also an obvious and expensive type of waste. Similar to overproduction, you invested all the capacity, materials, and time, and then you cannot even sell the product but how to throw it out. Even if it can be reworked, it is an additional effort. It will consume more capacity and time, and in general, will mess up your production schedule. Hence, when you do it right the first time.